Hello everyone, I'm back in another video, and in today's video we have a Toshiba laptop. This is a Toshiba Satellite S55T-B535. And in this video I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how you can open it up and how you can add or remove the RAM for your laptop. If you can't, usually they do get shipped with an 8 gig, but you can bump it up to a higher capacity. I'm going to show you guys how to. I made a short video. I'll leave that link in the video description to check your maximum RAM capacity for your laptop, PC. Check that link in the video description. Just remember, by upgrading the RAM on your laptop, you don't have to do anything else. It's configuration or anything else. You're not going to lose any files, anything. So it's pretty much plug and play type. All right, let's get into it. First thing first, you want to power off the laptop. Obviously, this is a Toshiba, not an Apple. And you want to flip it upside down. And down here, we're going to see a whole bunch of screws in here. First, you want to remove the 2 screws at the back mid. We're going to use our screwdriver set. I'll be using a iFix screwdriver set. From this tool set, I'll be using a Phillips #1. And we're going to start removing few screws. So let's go ahead and remove 2 screws at the back mid. These screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Put them in one side. You should be able to slide back the battery on your laptop, just like that. Once you have that one out, we're going to start removing the rest of the screws. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about matching them. So go ahead and start from one corner and remove all of them. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. I appreciate that. All right, once we remove all the screws, make sure you haven't missed any. The one in the middle here too. Now you want to use an opening tool. I'll recommend you guys to grab a guitar pick. And metallic guitar picks are suitable to opening cases and covers. You're going to start from the front end of the laptop. You're going to stick the guitar pick in there, and we're going to twist, and we want to hear a few big click sounds. Those are what clips are getting loose. That's what we want to hear. So we want to just keep doing that all around in the front. There we go. Once you do the front, you want to work yourself to the corner side towards the back, right in here by the USB. Stick about 1 or 2 millimeters of the guitar pick. Sticking the whole thing in there. Because these laptops are really old, you might get some few tiny broken plastic. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Just go ahead and remove it. So something from this side went off. Oh, and that was this. That was the leg for the where it's supposed to hold the screw. You can use a double side super glue to glue it back in. The reason it broke is because it is really dried out, or somebody hit it out and it broke. It's not just because you removed it bad or something. All right, so we got the bottom cover, and we can see right away the insides of the laptop. This one is very well made. So back in days, they never cut the corners. They made the best. And look at this one, iCore 5 with 2 massive heatsink, 2 fans to cool a single CPU. How about that? All right, so now that we got inside, we can see the RAM right over here. These are a 4 gig and 4 gig. Their RAMs are, to remove the RAM, you want to put your fingers at the side of the triggers and you want to pull them away from each other, and the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle. Just like that. All you want to do, you want to grab it in 45, you want to slide it back on the same 45-degree angle. You don't want to yank it towards the ceiling, otherwise you'll break the DIMM or the RAM. Just always slide it back towards yourself. Same thing in here. To remove it, pull the trigger towards sides and the RAM will come out, slide out. If you pay attention, the RAM has a little cut on them and there's a little notch right on the DIMMs. So if you try to put the RAM the other way around, it will simply not go through. It's not matching. So you want to grab your new RAM. You can get an 8 gig and an 8 gig to have a total of 16 gig. We have upgraded this laptop to a 16 gig with no problem. All you will have to do, make sure the notch on the RAM is aligned with the notch with this one. Bring it in 45-degree angle towards the DIMM, push it inside the DIMM, and then simply push it towards the motherboard, and you're going to hear these two triggers open and close. That's what you want to hear. If you don't push it all the way in, halfway through, and you try to push it towards the motherboard, it doesn't go. It's really hard. They don't make a soft click because you haven't pushed in correctly. So what you want to do, open it up, make sure it goes in all the way, and then simply towards the motherboard, and they have to stay straight. And they have to have this kind of springy feeling to the RAMs. This half is springy. All right. So that's how you can add or remove the RAM on your laptop. All right. Once you're done with this one, you do not need to put the bottom cover on to test it. You can just simply flip it open and plug in the charger without the battery and power it on, see if you get the screen stuff. If you don't get anything, any display after 30 seconds, you want to power off, switch the RAM places, and then power on and test it out. Once you're done with that, what you want to do, you want to grab the bottom cover, you want to align it right over, and then you want to push the corners down, just like that. Push the back, make sure it does nice click sound. That's what you want to hear all around. And to finish it up is to just grab the battery, slide it in, and put all the screws, including the one of the battery, they're all the same size and height. So don't worry about matching them. Again, I hope you guys like this video and help you to upgrade your RAM for your Toshiba Satellite S55T series. Again, if you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in the video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screws.